All right, in this video, we're going to look at writing a function given a verbal description. So always keep in mind throughout the course that functions act as a machine with a specific job to do. So we're going to take a pretty in-depth look at various types of functions throughout the course. But if you just keep in mind that all they are nothing more than a machine that have some specific job to do. Sometimes that job's real simple. Other times that job's a little bit more involved. They're not as bad. Functions aren't as bad as some people make them out to be. So functions take an input value such as x, perform their job, and then give you back an output value such as y. So for instance, a vending machine takes input, your money and your order, and then performs its job, goes and fetches whatever there that you selected, and then gives you as output whatever it is you bought in the first place. So the next couple problems are going to give you some practice in building or constructing a function based on the steps it performs. So example 3, write the function f as described by the following sequential steps. So we have, first we're going to multiply our input by 3, and then we're going to add 4 to that result. So f has two processes. It has a multiply by 3, and then it has an add 4. So the first part, multiplying its input by 3, if we use x as the input, then multiplying our inputs by 3 means we have 3 times x. Now, from that, we're going to add 4 to this result, and we get 3x plus 4. So it's going to multiply by 3 whatever we give it, or triple whatever we give it, and then add 4 to that result, and we get 3x plus 4. So our function f is 3x plus 4, and we'll get into this notation for function notation in a little bit in this video series. All right, part B, we're going to have another function g that's we're going to add 4 this time and multiply by 3. So we're going to reverse the steps, and maybe that'll give us the same function, maybe it won't. But first up, adding 4 to whatever input we give it. So if we're giving it x as input, adding 4 to that is going to be x plus 4. Then we're going to take this result, this x plus 4 result, we're going to multiply that entire result by 3. And when we do that, we get 3 times x plus 4. So our g of x function could either be 3 times in parentheses x plus 4, or you can distribute the 3 and get 3x plus 12. So either this 3 times x plus 4 in parentheses or the 3x plus 12 is an acceptable answer. All right, that about does it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.